power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at the
2022
Jeep Gladiator Sport in black with automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black 3-piece hardtop, rock rails, deep tint sunscreen windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel,
19,000
miles on the odometer,
8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation,
rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats,
3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine,
and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
stock number 47517A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.